always.
How dare you? Now you don't know where I am. Dad, please help me.
There is. Yeah, right. You'd be scared having kids too with that fence, wouldn't you? Both of you stop it now. They haven't had to sit still for so long. Football season's just over too, so started climbing walls already. I keep telling them, not in here.
I like to still Dad.
Yeah, not a chance. Say again? Yeah, I believe it. Yeah.
Oh, what?
I believe it.
If you win, I do it. If I win, I don't.
Ladies up there, so that's a ladies' food.
Yeah, yeah.
If you win,
Yeah,
I have to do
they
the
used to have a
But if
bunk.
I win,
Two bunks?
Yeah,
Yeah.
two here and two there.
Yeah.
or if
Used to
you
drop
win,
down
The
that
Coran,
way.
you know the Coranda train?
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I ran that one with my mother when I was little. Like, I must have been on it.
okay, let's do it.
Geez, probably 6, 7 times. Yeah, it was good.
Not my aunt. Alright, I win. We have to do the meeting.
Yeah, there was a lot of trains nowadays used to have sleeping cars, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, they were no bigger than this, eh?
No, that's
Yeah, that's right, yeah.
So you don't have to do it. Wait,
I was quite intrigued. I was watching a
just hang
show on
on a second.
TV.
It means I
And it was
you have
called
to.
Foreign Railway Journeys. And this guy, this Pommy fella, is a ex-politician. And he went on this train in India.
You win.
And all the
You.
sleepers come, they have a corridor down the middle.
Yeah.
And they have 3 bunks high.
Yeah.
All they have is a bit of canvas or a cloth or something, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Sort of just butts down.
Yeah.
They pretty high.
That's freaky, eh?
They just pull themselves up and they have a sleeping car. They have a sleep car.
Yeah. That's like Japan. If you're at a club or a high class sort of place in Japan, men aren't allowed to sit down until after 10 p.m. Women can sit down at any time, but men not allowed, you know. You get told off. They don't shake hands over there either. I had some very confused people when I was drunk shaking everyone's hand. My friend got photos of me shaking people's hands. They're like, I'm squishing the hands.
Dad, can you do that thing like this? Again!
Yeah, these are crazy. Oh, look at the sheep.
Try the other hand. Nah, this hand.
No, other hand.
My turn, I'll crush you.
I got yous.
Ow! It's my turn, Zach. Let's do it. Okay, wait.
No, no, sit.
What about mine? I'm just patting you.
I'll never go back after getting one of these GoPros, eh?